This illustration deals with receptacle outlets in accordance with NEC 490.6A and B. And basically, these are construction site related receptacles. And first of all, I would like to review the Note 1 and 2. Note 1, for receptacle outlets on 15 kW or less portable generators, to get information pertaining to those portable generators, see Figure 16-42 and Section 490.6A3 will give us information for those type of generators based upon voltage and so forth. Now, temporary receptacle installation used for temporary power during construction, remodeling, maintenance, repair, or demolition. Now, notice that covers just about everything related to areas where these receptacle outlets are required in accordance with 590.6A. Say you had the service equipment, as you see to the left, then Article 230 has to be complied with. Grounding in Article 250 has to be complied with, as you see with the driven rod there. And here we have a temporary service being installed. Notice it could be a pole type, it could be a pedestal type, it could be temporarily installed on the wall of a tilt-up wall or whatever. And then we have these feeders in accordance with 490.4B of cords and cables run out to a pedestal, as you see. And then a pedestal could be used to card and plug connect extension cords. We could also route to a location where a GFCI receptacle is. But the main thing, these receptacles have to be GFCI protected. And of course, we know that 590.6 deals with that. And then, as we've pointed out in many illustrations, that we can read all about these different types of GFCIs in Chapter 13 of 70B, the advantages, the disadvantages of which one you choose, for example. And then notice that we could use non-metallic sheath cable and Romex or rope, again, depending on what part of the country are you from. But notice there's no 3-story limitation on that for temporary construction. We're using wiring methods less than would be required if these installations were permanent. So our Figure 10-37 deals with receptacle outlets, either powered, in this case, by the service equipment and pedestals and so forth, or you may have portable generators where power is not available to us from the utility at this stage of construction. So Figure 10-37 deals with receptacle outlets on construction sites, how they can be supplied with flexible cord or cables and GFCI protected in accordance with 590.6, A as in apple and B as in boy.